Okay. Let's try this again for the millionth time. All right. Let's try that again. All right. We're going to start with print. Welcome to my game. And then let's just see if that works real quick. All right. And it says, welcome to my game right here. All right. So that works good. So that's the first thing someone's going to see. And then we can ask, we can have playing people and ask them input. Let's see what today. Application works. Mark, and then we'll leave a space for them to say yes or no. Actually, we could say yes, no, space. Okay, so now that should ask them. So let's see that. Welcome to my game. Do you want to play? Yes or no? Okay, cool. So now we can say, we can use something called an if-else statement. And it's basically telling the computer if user says blank, then do this. Else, or if he doesn't, do this. So so we can say if playing, and then this exclamation point equal sign means is not equal to yes, break, which ends the loop. So let's check this out. Or actually, we should say y. Right, and then we can add lower here, so it doesn't matter. This makes it so where it doesn't matter if you do capital Y or lowercase y. So, welcome to my game. Do you want to play? Yes or no? Oh, I didn't add input yet. Hold on a second. But I'm gonna play. What did I do wrong here? Break outside loop. Break outside loop. Okay, we can just say quit instead. All right. Run that. Okay, there we go. Do you want to play? And we'll say lowercase y. Game playing is not defined. Okay, that's because we didn't say what else to do if I say yes. But if we run it again and then we say no, whoops. And if I say no down here, it stops. Let's see. Game playing is not defined. Okay, okay. So let's try that one more time. And okay, and it stops. Okay, good. That was my fault. So if playing doesn't equal y, quit. And if it doesn't, we can say since we can say wait, let's play. Okay. So now this is saying the computer is going to run through this, and if the user says yes or y, it'll print this out. And if he says anything over except y, it'll quit. So let's try that. Welcome to my game. Do you want to play? So let's say y. Uh, uh, okay. Okay, now it should work. Do you want to play? Why? Oh my god. Do you want to play? Why is it not working? All right, let's move on and hope it fixes itself later. So let's say, let's go down here and say answer equals inputs, and we'll put our question in here. And we'll say, um, how do you say cat in Spanish? And then question mark and then a space so they can input whatever they're gonna say. And let's just say we'll go down here and we'll say if answer is equal to Pato. To Pato, then Pato prints correct. Nice job. Shut up. It's invalid syntax. Gato. Okay. Okay. No syntax if answer equal cuts. What did I do? What's the problem here? If answer Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Okay, do you want to play? Why? Oh my gosh. Okay. Quit. Frank. Okay, let's play. Try that out. Okay. Quit. Okay. Indentation error. Hmm. What's going on? Great, that's okay. Okay. Scratch that. Scratch that. I think that was the reason why. Okay. So, game. Playing. Okay. Alright, welcome to my game. Playing. Do you want to play yes or no? Top lower. Okay. Playing. Top. If not, print. Great. Let's play. Everything looks good to me. Why is it working? Do not play. Yes. Quiet. Oh my gosh. Okay. Playing. Top lower. Okay. All right. So now we press Y. Do you want to play? Yes. Great. Let's play. Here at the bottom. How do you say cat in Spanish? So you have to type it exactly how it's written inside the code. If not, it'll say. Well, we'll make it say incorrect. Try again. Or we might just move it on to the next question and then tally up, give them a score at the end. So gato, and then enter, correct, nice job. And then this is where you'd move on to the next question. So this is where the else statement of if else comes in. So you would say if the answer equals gato, print correct, nice job, else print Nice try. Or just incorrect. Okay, so let's put that there. Add that up. Okay. So let's try that again. Do you want to play? Say yes. How do you say gato in Spanish? Or cat in Spanish? Gato. Correct. Nice job. Okay, now let's get it wrong. And we say yes, we want to play. How do you say cat in Spanish? Fish. Incorrect. Cool. Nice, nice, nice. So now we can just copy this. Oh, no way. What did I just do? Oh, no, 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 no. Let's see. Figure select default. Bruh.
To the rescue, I sent you.
What's up?
Said I'm coming to the rescue, I sent you what you erased.
No, I'm trying to look up how to bring it back, like how to undo changes.
Command C, no.
I pressed Command C. That's why there's a C there. I pressed Command C to copy. Wait, that's how to copy, right? Command C and Command V.
Yeah.
I pressed Command C and it just disappeared, bro. Fat L. After I was doing all of that to fix the code. Dang, I sound like sound kind of sexy. Alright. That was crazy, man. Okay.
Glad you got that stream to the live.
Yeah, that was a fat L ski.
You were gonna be like that compilation or something.
Okay. That's such a fat L, bro. Alright, whatever. Good practice. So if playing does not equal Y, quit, print, great, let's play. And then answer answer equals inputs parentheses what is the biggest state? Actually, I don't even know the answer to that. What are the three big lists in what is the worst exercise? Okay. question mark space for comment for user input. Okay, so now we can say if answer equals deadlifting. Print. Good job. Let's see, this actually should be tabs forward, and I need a colon. All right. Else print. Nice try, nerd. Okay, so let's go back and see if this works now. You want to play OIN? Yes. Great, let's play. What is the worst exercise? Deadlifting. Good job. Okay, now I'm gonna play yes or no. Say yes. What is the worst exercise? And I'm gonna go ahead and lie and say bench press. Nice try, nerd. Good. Cool. All right. So now, good job. Let's make this a little cuter. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do the old-fashioned way. Copy is Command C. I swear I pressed that earlier, but I'm gonna copy it real quick just to be safe. Okay, Command C. Okay, paste. Why isn't it working then? Command C. Command C. Command C. Huh. Okay. Anyways, go over here, paste that, and then go over here, paste that. Maybe Command V works. Let me try. Command V. Nice. Command V. Command V. Hello?
Are you holding down Command and C at the same time?
Yeah. Like I press one, then I press the other. Like I'm holding Command and pressing V. Yeah. All right, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. Let's do 5 questions. So let's do one more.
Also, of course, you got fucking German to this.
Okay, so we did all the hard work here. So now all we have to do is go in and change the question and the answers for each of these, and we have a whole quiz. And then we're gonna add keeping track of the score at the end. So what is the worst exercise? Let's see. We could say, dang, I don't even know. I'll save this part for my girlfriend to do. So I'm gonna work on the questions and the answers secretly. So right now I'm gonna work on the scorekeeping. So at the very top, we'll go back to the very top, and then we'll say score equals 0. That should work. And then if she got it right, print that and score plus equal 1. So that means every time she gets it right, the score adds 1 from the previous. So from 0, it adds 1 to make it 1. And then we come here, print that, and then score plus equal 1. So it goes from here, starts at 0, she gets it right, 1, and then she gets it right from here. That's adding another 1, making it 2. Okay. Cool. So all right, and then let's make it to where it doesn't matter what kind of, if you do upper or lower case. So we'll say playing dot lower. We have to add that to each of them. I should have did this before. If answer lower. So it doesn't matter if you do capital D or have capitals anywhere in there. Whenever you enter what your answer is and press whenever you enter your answer and press enter, it's going to convert it into lowercase anyways. So actually I should keep these lowercase as well. Okay, answer is lower. Definitely, that's good. So actually let's go ahead and try that real quick. Do you want to play? Yes. What? What? Bro, this lower is kind of messing me up, bro. Let's take that out real quick. So we say yes. Okay, great, let's play. Now it works. If I add it back, dot lower. And I run it again. What? Oh my gosh. Okay. So we want to play lowercase y. Doesn't work. Nice. Okay. F plane dot lower. This should work, man. Put it to lowercase. Okay. Do you want to play y? Or so weird. Oh. Oh, hold on. You wanna play? Why? Okay. Let's go. Okay, so what is it, like F5 or something? Kick it out of it. I can be one. Try F5. F5. So this. Okay. 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 So and then if I press capital Y, still works. Nice. Okay. All right. So let's see. Let me move the score.
Yeah.
Uh,
What is it?
Coding.
Imagine if you, son, I love you, son. You know how wide my pen is, right? Just me and you, the adult, the brainer of this house, right? That's what I was saying. Like, if you spend this much time that you spend without your game, what kind of person are you gonna be? And then your dean, you are a good man. Looking at him the other day, I picked this young man. I feel sorry. I give him advice and he said he can't use it. He works some plant.
So what am I doing here? Say print. Print. Cut. Got a strong. You got a strong string right here. You got a strong space plus string. We can say score divided by 4. How many questions do we have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Wait, what? Answer equals input. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 5. Okay. Score divided by 5. And times 100. And okay. That's good. Alright. So let's try it out. Actually, let's do questions real quick. What is vertex exercise? Who is the best Fortnite player? Alright. And we can say deem the one. Who is the worst FM player? Answer equals BVS. Job score +1. Anything else is nice try nerd. Okay. And we can say what is the best food? Let's say Varia tacos. And who nice who is the president? Let's say Joe Mama. All these should be lowercase. Maria and yes. Team. And then okay, Joe Mama. Alright, let's try it out. So, boom. Do you want to play yes or no? Oh, it's not. Oh. Answer. Okay, so I have to do this. If answer that lower, answer that lower. Okay. Copy. Paste. Paste. And paste. Paste. Lower. Oh, okay. So where? Oh, is there a hotkey to run this stuff? Uh, okay. Yes, I want to play. What is the worst exercise? That, and then you can, be random with the caps. It's still gonna work. Good job. Who is the best Fortnite player? You can say Dean. One. Still gonna work. Good job. Who is the worst Fortnite player? And then we'll say Junior. Nice try, nerd, because we got it wrong. What is the best food? And we'll say lasagna. We got it wrong. Nice try, nerds. Who is the president? We can say Joe Biden. Nice try, nerd. You got 2 questions correct. Nice going. You got a strong 40. Oh, I forgot to add percent. Okay, you got a strong 40.0. Okay, so let's see. Okay, well, that's good. But that's missing something. Very, 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 very important. I should add. Plus string. And then I've been adding spaces here to space out the words, but I want percent to be right next to the whatever number it is. So I'm not gonna put a space there, and I'm gonna put just straight percento and period. Okay, cool. So let's try it out real quick. Do you want to play? Yes. Exercise. Try nerd. Who's the best Fortnite player? Being the one. Good job. Who's the worst? VVS. What is the best food? Tacos. Good job. Who's the prez? Joe Obama. Nice try, nerd. You got 3 questions correct. Nice going. You got a strong 60%. Cool. Cool. All right. So that's actually it. That's the rest of the code. So quick recap. We print welcome to, or we can say, okay, cool. My first ever computer game. Thank you for coming. Playing input. Okay, so playing input is just a variable, and we're assigning that to mean whatever this input is of do you want to play yes or no, and then we're putting a condition on the yes or no because that's what the user is going to input. So if the user inputs anything but a y, if this input doesn't equal y, then we'll have to quit the program. If it does equal y, then the computer will skip this whole thing here and go straight to print great, let's play. And then this is hidden from the user, but this is whenever the program starts keeping track of the score. And then we'll say answer. This is where the question is. The answer equals the input of the question. So the user is going to be putting his answer in here. That's why I labeled the answer as my variable. It could be anything. So I'll say input, what is the worst exercise? And then this lower makes it to where if they put a random capital anywhere, whoops, it's okay. Random capital in there, it won't change the different. Whenever the program receives that input, it'll change it all to lowercase anyway, so it doesn't matter. Print good job, score +1 from whatever score it was last, in this case 0. Okay, else, if you got it wrong, print nice try nerd or whatever I want. Okay, and then you go on, you continue with the different questions, and it's the same format as that first one. And then at the end, you got this many, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so straightforward and simple. Okay, so that's the end of the stream. I'm going to make the quiz for my special someone. And I'll add more questions, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, that's it. See you guys.